use a feature in the Cricut design space. Alright, I'm going to open it up. I'm going to choose a new project. This is going to be how to use your slice button to make a stencil. So, for instance, text. I'm going to type in, let's see, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Or better yet, let's just do my name's Catherine. Alright. We have Catherine. Okay, you can choose any font you want, but I'm going to just leave it as this to make this video simple. You're going to go over here to Shapes and choose a square. Once your square comes up, I always change mine to a light gray just so I can see my name on top of it. So we're going to hit right click and we're going to send that square to the back. That way your name will be on the top. We're going to unlock it and we're going to stretch it out like this. And you don't have to have it really big. We're going to do it like this, okay? Just so you have enough room around each side. Alright, now you're going to select the whole thing, your name and your box, and you're going to click Slice. You remove the top layer, there's that second layer, and there you are. You have your stencil, and you can delete these two right here. And now you can tell your machine, to make that. And then you put your material this size so it'll cut out, and it'll cut it out, and then you stick it on to whatever you're going to put that on. Now, there's another thing I want to show you. Let's back up. Let's unstencil it. Okay. So I'm going to take my name. So like say if you have something that is ungrouped, because sometimes we like to, well, this one, is it still welded? No. Okay. Alright, we're going to take my name. So sometimes you'll have it ungrouped. See where your letters are all, you know what I'm saying, not together. Not grouped together. Well, whenever you select all those and then you put it on top and it's not grouped, let me show you. See the slice feature down here on your bottom right? Doesn't show up. That is because after you ungroup something, you have to select that back. For some reason, my junk ain't wanting to show Weld, but Weld will pop up right here. So you can also right click and go down here to Weld. So my program has been acting up, so yours probably won't. I don't know if it's an internet issue or what, but Weld wouldn't show up here. So I right clicked and it was there. So now it's all welded together. See, it's all hooked. You can't group it. You have to weld it. And then put your box over it, select it all, and Slice will show up. Mine's being retarded, so it's not. So I'm going to right click and hit Slice. There you go, and you got your stencil. Same goes for an image. Say you want to do an image. Let's see. I'm going to get mine to reload real quick. It's because it's being retarded. Let's see there it is. Reload. I don't know why. It's been acting up on me, the design space, for a few days. Okay, I'm going to reload. Now I'm going to go over here and click images. And I don't know. I'm just going to, I don't want that to come up. Let's see. Say, alright, you see this, that might not be a good idea. Let's see. Alright, you want to take, let me find something more simple. Say these horns. Select those horns. Comes up, and you're going to go over here, get a shape. Alright, and I always change mine to a lighter color just for visual purposes. I've got to have it. I like to send that box to the back and then I want to stretch. See, it's being retarded. It won't show me my features. There it goes. I don't want that one unlocked. I want my box unlocked. Alright. Stretch the box. Alright. And select them all because it's already an image and it's already been grouped. It's already kind of like welded or whatever. We didn't have to weld it. So you select them both and then your slice. See, my slice shows up down here. Click slice. Move that one. Move that one, and look, there you are. You have your stencil. So that is how you would make your stencil using your Cricut design space. If you have any more questions, just let me know. Thank you.